Today I'm talking about how to get cheap car insurance. Car insurance may be the ultimate grudge purchase, but it doesn't need to leave you out of pocket. Follow my tips to cut the cost. Number 1. It's cheaper to pay annually. Number 2. Your credit rating. Number 3. Pick the right job title. Number 4. Do not auto-renew your car policy. Number 5. Comprehensive versus third party. Less cover isn't always cheaper. Number 6. Consider multi-car insurance. Number 7. Named driver. Number 8. Can black box and camera cut the costs? Number 9. Be the better driver. Number 10. Use a broker. Number 11. Avoid the ghost brokers. These tips help you to get cheap car insurance. Thank you for watching our channel.